Today we are with Sneha ma'am in S45/4 in Absolute Solitude. Hello ma'am. How are you?
Hello, hi, Anshul.
Okay, let's go.
This is master's bedroom and a lot of changes I can see. Like,
Exactly right.
तो इसके बारे में तो आप प्लीज बताइए सब कुछ कैसे है और क्या क्या हमने किया है.
Firstly, this came out of Vastu only because as per Vastu, we could only sleep in this direction. So it was very big question how to do that because generally Smart World and जो Solitude ने हमें दिया था. This is one of the most important area because जब बात आई कि हमें इस डायरेक्शन में ही सोना है and I was very strict कि मुझे वास्तु के हिसाब से ही चलना है. And जब डिजाइनिंग टीम से बात हो रही थी was like कि मैम फिर इस एरिया का हम करेंगे क्या. मैंने कहा कुछ तो सोचो. आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल कम आउट बट वी हैव टू यूटिलाइज दैट एरिया. मैं उसको वेस्ट होने नहीं दे सकती. अगर एक पैनल भी बना दूं लंबा सा वो यूज ही नहीं हो तो क्या फायदा. एंड दैट्स हाउ बोथ ऑफ अस सैट टुगेदर. हमने बहुत डिस्कशन किया उस पॉइंट पे एंड देन वी केम आउट विद अ ब्यूटीफुल आइडिया कि भाई इसके बैक में स्टोरेज दे सकते हैं. वी कैन क्रिएट अ निश ओवर हियर जहाँ पे मैं कुछ भी मतलब बीइंग वेरी ट्रू मेरे हस्बैंड मुझे हमेशा यही बोलते हैं रात को सबसे अच्छा स्पेस पूरे घर का ये है बिकॉज रात को बस मोबाइल यूज किया सिंपली ऊपर रखा हो गया यू नो. या if you look into it, even this panel was created by Furniture 5. Rose Modular Kitchen, they are number 1. But उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, it will be something that will be adding value to their work as well. And they created this complete panel, this whole panel, this dressing area as well. So in my room, I have so many storage space with the dressing counter as well, with niche, with so many spaces where I can keep lots of stuff and everything. And over we created a window, bay window area. Those are balcony door, but we use this area like if I want to sit over here, if I want to, change my shoes and everything, I can sit and easily take out from there. So we created this I can keep my shoes over here and just simply pull it out and sit and use it from here. So that becomes something very useful.
There will be no handle, sharp edges or anything.
No, nowhere you can see any sharp edges. These are completely, soft pen. No sharp edges for us. Like completely fine.
Can we have a look of the wardrobe?
Yeah, definitely for sure. I can show you from here. So this is the wardrobe of my husband. So he wanted all the hangings over there. So we kept it very open for him. So, and with 2 drawers as well. If you want, he can keep his documents and everything. And one more thing which we did over here, we wanted to have one more shelf over here because usually, जब आप कपड़े रखते हो and when you don't have any, shelf over here, तो if the clothes are बहुत ऊपर आ जाता है तो usually वो ना stuck हो जाता है. So this shelf is very helpful. ये आपको protect कर रहा है. Never this drawer will get damaged in between. या फंस गया ये आपको channel खोलना पड़ेगा and to use it right in that way. So it's very spacious and बहुत अंदर भी अगर आप depth की बात करो तो we created a lot of depth over here, like complete depth over there inside these spaces as well. So that's how we created the. We also created this sensor lighting as well. मतलब उन्होंने ग्रूविंग खुद से करके दी है हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना था. Just we need to put a light, install it over there. So it's very easy. Once you close this door, it will automatically get shut off. If I'll show you like this, see, this is happening in that way. So हमने right side में रखा है. Usually people pull out from the right side. So you just need to, do it like this. It will automatically get closed. So this is my requirement. I can keep all my stuff. Just I need to sit over here in the chair and I can use all this stuff over here sitting. So I feel very comfortable when I come, I come after I take my bath. यहाँ पे बैठो आराम से. Usually पहले तो खड़े कर रही होती थी. अब now I have a proper sitting over here and I keep all my cosmetics and everything over here in this dresser part and I can use it very well from here.
This room is indeed so beautiful.
Exactly right.
So I don't believe कि मतलब I must say अगर कोई एम्फीरियन सॉलिट्यूड से आए और मैं ये रूम दिखा दूं तो वो वोंट बिलीव कि ये उसी वही रूम.
Exactly. That's true. Nobody can relate कि ये वही रूम है. They might question कि ये कौन सा रूम है, like how you created this space. But it's something very different.
Just tour of the imagine like how the things.
हमने ये अगर मैं किचन रूम की बात करूँ तो सबसे पहले लिविंग एरिया इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो ये कलर कोऑर्डिनेटेड होना चाहिए था. तो वी केप द कंप्लीट थीम एंड हमने ये वाला जो अगर आप देखोगे ना मेरा क्रॉकरी यूनिट, इट केम आउट एग्जैक्टली इन अ वे द कलर ऑफ द लिविंग रूम. तो हमने ये जो पैनल भी सिलेक्ट किया, इट वाज कंप्लीटली मैचिंग माय लिविंग रूम, एंड विद द फ्लूटेड पैनल्स एज वेल. अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे विद द स्लाइडिंग डोर्स ओवर हियर वी हैव द फ्लूटेड पैनल्स and opposite we have this crockery area as well. वहाँ भी हमने fluted रखा. So complete area is covering with the fluted panels and all. If you close this door, the complete house एक color combination में. It's not like, you know, odd one out or something like that. Fridge over here. And we wanted a double door, so we adjusted over here as well. मतलब fully ये fridge open होता है मेरा. It is not a problematic कि आपका fridge open नहीं होगा. You have to keep it over there, and you have to compromise with your, you know, console or with the crockery unit as well.
मैम अभी जैसे हम रेफ्रिजरेटर दोनों साइड से ओपन करते हैं,
हाँ,
काफी
तो
लोगों
कोई
का
इशू नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
कोई
It's just opening in both the directions, like पूरा.
Yeah.
We have ample space. One person can stand and open everything. Even we have created this open, you know, area for built-in appliances. Right now it's not there, but yeah, in future when we want, we can add on over here with a grain trolley over here, where you can.
How much weight is like as of now?
As of now, I'm having around 15 kgs, 10 kg over here, and with one bag of 5 kg still over there.
And how
so it
smooth
can,
it feels?
it's very smooth. Like you don't have to, you know, pull and push something like that. Just simply pull, and when you want to close, just give a short push. It will be closed. Yeah, very smooth. So we have created this area. You can always utilize it like a, you know, a dishwasher as well. Right now we are not planning for that, but yeah, we can keep all your extra stuff over here. But futuristic way में किया गया है so that हम यहाँ पे dishwasher ला सके. You can keep your appliances over here. Like everything is shop को सब hetic के इन्होंने use किए हैं सारे material, like complete, you know, authorized one. And these are like the grain, you know, the cutlery tray and all. So these are the things, you know, the bottle pull out tray over here, you can see, like you can use it easily. And these are the panels we created, like, you know, where you can open and you can keep whatever you want to, like, you know, whatever you want to show in your display or something like that. We have this VTPT tray as well over here, just above this sink, so that easily when you wash your utensils, you can keep it over here and there's no such challenge over here.
Why the like language moves our head is repeatedly?
That is very important because we have a geyser behind that. So it's very important that heat should come out. There shouldn't be any kind of, you know, mishappening or accident in future. That's why we created this. Even we created this whole lofts, and was more important thing was like चिमनी का जो ये ऊपर में जाता है ना,
जी,
क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
पैनल
Pipe. The chimney pipe, you know, they covered this one as well. I wanted that कि मेरा cabinet ना पूरा cabinet जैसा ही look आना चाहिए loft में, and I can keep stuff over there. So we created, मतलब वो दिखता भी नहीं है, you can keep anything over there. We didn't want it that कि storage कहीं भी waste हो, तो उन्होंने उसको cover कर दिया, and we can keep our stuff over there in the lofts as well.
Okay.
You know.
So this chimney pipe is completely covered, and you can use the rest of this.
Rest of the space, and it creates a, you know, lot of storage space for us. Being a woman, most of the time, you know, even women nowadays, men are also using the kitchen because they are equally participating in everything. So, you know, this is the main area of the house, you know, where we spend more of the yeah. So we spend more of the time over here, spatially. So these area, if you see like all the cutting and everything, putting this chimney into, you know, this hob into it, this chimney, everything was done by Furniture 5. We don't have to take any kind of pain over here, like from bottle pull out with all the drawers, you know, every kind of stuff you can keep. It's a very large drawer. You can just ask them as per your requirement, and you know, you can keep anything of small things जो भी आपको required है अपने kitchen में. And lots of space are there, like, you know, your kitchen doesn't feel like, and we have this wicker basket as well where you can keep, you know, आलू प्याज वगैरह आप रख सकते हो. तो heavy से heavy utensils है यहाँ पे, but
and this is like they have all the mats in the inside.
Exactly, yes. They have used the anti-skid mat as well. They have provided this as well, so that you know, it looks, मतलब एक तो बहुत gaudy भी, मतलब अच्छी चीज भी लग रहा है. It's beautifying the place as well, and in fact कि अगर पानी भी किसी बर्तन में रह जाता है तो it's not going to hamper the wood spatially. तो ये इसका purpose है.
It is laminated.
Even if it is pre-laminated and everything. And in the van, if I talk about this area, they have used the boilo, right?
Yes.
The boilo product. So over here as well, we have this under counter RO storage, and you know, dry and wet basket over here as well, with all the cleaning stuff. I can keep it over here at one place, and this is the sink area. Everything was supervised and done by the, you know, Furniture 5 team.